bird. Bird fight. Who's gonna get it? Oh, he's the winner. Jacob, watch this.
Oh, wow.
Shit, I got scared. He pooped on me too.
Did he poop?
Yeah, that's okay though.
Oh.
It's okay. He got nervous, that's why.
Yeah.
Maybe it was just water from his little beak. I'm so scared. Yeah, I'm just gonna let him get it. Get it. Here, I'm just gonna won't look. Ah, he got it. I'm like, I won't look. He wants it. Jacob's eating the bed.
Don't eat it, bud.
It's okay. It's not bad. Jacob's like, I want some too. The center pieces are good, buddy, if you really want some. Try. It's good for you. Oh, a fish? This is a big piece. Who's the winner? I'm not scared with the big pieces. Ready? Danielle's like, oh, the head. Nice catch. Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah. You gonna throw it, Jacob? You gonna throw it? Oh. We need more bread. Catch. That's so funny. He's eating it. You like that bread? He said, damn, I think I'll have some too. Hey, good job.
Oh, he dropped it.
This is the last
Bird
piece.
fight.
Last piece. Oh, it's so scary. Did he drop it?
Yeah, he did.
I got him. Get some close ones in here. Oh.
Oh, nice catch. Uh-oh.
You can like feel the wind from their wings. Ooh,
yeah.
Facial.
Oh, oh. Oh.
It's like my turn.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh, you got it.
Got it.
The head. Jacob, what do you think? There's one piece left. It's pretty cool, huh? It's pretty fun. You want some?